Yeah, I mean, I think that you're right about that. You brought up hate speech, and I want to go to an audience question that we have. Actually, this is from Cindy, who's watching from Norway, and she said, "Is all hate speech considered free speech? Are there any legal limitations to what is allowed?" And I will allow either one of you to respond to that. But I think Nadine, you did bring up the point.
And I wrote an entire book on the subject. It's a great question, and it shows an understanding that is not revealed by the too many public officials, as well as members of the public, who say hate speech is not free speech. Or conversely, too many libertarians say hate speech is free speech. But the truth is, some is protected and some is not protected. The law is very sensible. One basic premise of our law is that government may never suppress speech solely because of disapproval of the content, the idea, the viewpoint. So the mere fact that somebody is saying something hateful is never enough of a justification to suppress it. However, if we move beyond the content, the viewpoint of the message, and we look at it in its overall context, the Supreme Court has supported what is often called the emergency principle. If in particular facts and circumstances, speech with any message, including a hateful message, directly causes or threatens certain specific imminent serious harm, then it can and should be suppressed. So to use an example that's very current today, if speech intentionally incites imminent, violent, or lawless conduct that is likely to happen imminently, then that speech may be punished. So if a hateful message satisfies the strict emergency standard for punishable incitement, it can be punished. Likewise, if a hateful message satisfies the standard for a true threat. So we have to look at the details, the overall context.